Hi everyone, welcome to Programmers Divine. This section is tools for developers. This is part 3 of tools for developers, which is code repositories, technologies and tools. We are going to see about GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab and Azure repos. Do you know the developer technologies tools used in code repositories? So we are going to see about GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab and Azure repos. Tool 1, GitHub. So GitHub is a developer platform that allows developers to create, store, manage and share their code. So GitHub is an open source repository, so it contains millions of repositories in it. So many source codes are present. So which has been a subsidiary of Microsoft since 2018. It provides access control, backtracking, software feature request, task management, continuous integrations, and many people in DevOps are using this one for their DevOps code management. To Bitbucket. So Bitbucket is also similar like GitHub. So it is a Git-based source code repository hosting service owned by Atlassian. So it is offering both commercial plans and free accounts with unlimited number of private repositories. Many companies are nowadays using this Bitbucket only. So Bitbucket is mostly used for code and code reviews. It supports many features like pull requests with code review and comments and Bitbucket pipelines, a continuous delivery service. So it also offers two-step verification and a required two-step verification. It has IP whitelisting disagree, merge checks, code search, large file storage, smart monitoring, recipes to build third-party applications, add-ons and integrations, issue tracking, documentation. Many features it is offering nowadays. Tool 3, GitLab. So GitLab is similar like GitHub and Bitbucket, so which is operates on GitLab, a DevOps software package. It can be used to develop secure operate software. So GitLab includes a distributed version control based on Git. So it includes features like access control, backtracking, software feature, task management, and snippets. So which is Azure repos compared to the previous three things, GitHub, Bitbucket, and GitLab. What is the plus point of Azure repos is it will also support cloud deployments, which is provided by the Azure. So Azure repos is similar to the other version control tools, which is used to manage our code. So we can have small or large projects. It is possible to track all our version control systems inside this one. Thanks for watching. Program is Steven. Please subscribe my channel.